In today's video, I'll teach you how to create InboxDollars account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in InboxDollars.com. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of InboxDollars. You can see over here joining for the InboxDollars is completely free. So what you have to do is first of all check on this option, I agree to terms of use and to receive marketing email messages from InboxDollars. You're also accepting the privacy policy. Now you can either continue with Google, Apple or email. So simply click on the sign up method that you would like to use. Here I've clicked on the option email. If you also did that, what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Click on the field of email address and provide the email address with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Likewise, create the password for yourself. Your password should contain 8 to 32 characters. Likewise, confirm the password. Make sure the password matches. Now after you do that, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your account will easily be created. So that is how you create InboxDollars account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.